We will be looking at how to remove duplicates from a given data points. Like for example, currently I am having these data sets and I want to remove all the duplicates and have only unique values. So there are two ways to do this. So let's start with the first way, that is with some long way. We can just say we have to copy all this and then copy, then we have to paste it here and then go into the data tab. From here, the data tab, and here it is remove duplicates, then continue with the current selection, then remove duplicates, and it will show okay, and it has removed all the duplicates. So this is one of the way to remove the duplicates. There is another way which is very useful and a very easy way. So how to do that way, let's see. Here you have to use equal to, then write unique, unique, then open bracket, then the array is this array. For me, this is my array, and then just you can actually just close this bracket and enter. It will give you the same result. Or if you want to complete the total syntax which is given for the unique, you can use like this: unique, unique, then open bracket, then the array which is present, then you can say return unique columns, return unique rows, what you want. For example, I want a unique rows. Right now it is a single array, I can do it with a unique rows only. I want a unique rows. Then how many times you want? Return items that appear exactly once, or return every distinct item. What I want to return right now all the distinct items in the given list. I don't want like that he return items that appear exactly once. That we can see in the next part. So right now I want to have written every distinct item. Then once you have done the selection, you can just enter and you will get this output. Let's see again once the syntax here. I have not selected by column, so here also if I am not selecting, it is by default taking it as a rows. Otherwise you should actually do that and enter. It will give you the same result. This is one of the basic and very good useful good point on the duplicates, removal of duplicates. This is one of the important functions in your data analysis when it comes to cleaning your data before doing any kind of analysis like EDA analysis or the regression models and everything. So please be focused on this part. Do practice on your laptop also. By this you will be able to understand how to remove the duplicates very easily. See you into the next video. Thank you.